What are you doing, Caitlin?
Spinning in circles.
Why are you spinning in circles?
I don't know.
Why?
I can't stop.
Run. Did you just kick off your shoe?
Yeah.
Go get it. Oh my God. Caitlin! That's gonna go on Facebook.
No!
Are you playing in the rain?
Yeah.
Why?
Because it's fun.
Go
And
do
educational.
Go do something. Okay, you can come back home now. You're gonna fall.
Ow! Look at my foot.
I don't want to see the yaya on your foot.
But it hurts.
You're a dork. That's just a neighbor. They're watching you run like a bobo. You had too much sugar.
Okay, I'm done.
You going inside? No more rain?
No more rain.
I like your hat.
Thank you.
That dusty old hat.
Yes.
Okay, go in the house.
Okay.
You can wave at me as you're going in. Thank God for this big tree. Can't see it, but it's keeping me dry. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Don't lock me out.